sometimes more with outside PR. And one of the clients that I will be showcasing today is Injinji, the creators of the performance toe socks.
Okay, I remember toe socks. They're like, what, 80s, 70s? You had there were toe socks like with rainbows and stuff on them, right?
Like the fun toe socks that you'd buy at a random store. But with Injinji, the one thing that really sets them apart from all the other competition, and even those with regular compression socks, is that it requires blister prevention, moisture management, and just overall foot utilization and protection of the foot. And one thing that really makes it special is that it's not a generic 5-toe sock system. It molds to your foot specifically.
How do they mold to my foot? What do you mean?
So for example, in spring 2023, Injinji will be coming out with their new REM collection. And one thing that makes it extra special is that it actually will contour to your foot. So if you look here, it looks like a mesh material. This is actually being snug to the arch of your foot for added support, as well as like a no snag system on the heel. Yeah.
And then, okay, other than being a novelty, why would anyone want to go from a normal sock to wearing a toe sock? To me, it feels like none of my shoes are going to fit if I do that, because it's going to make it bigger around my toe.
Yeah, but with that though, it will be, blister prevention and just overall health of the foot. When you're out walking for long periods of time, specifically hiking or putting in long mileage on the road, you want a sock that is going to be durable and protect your feet from the first step that you take out the door to the last step you take after a big race or a big day of hiking. And so with the merino wool, it's a more durable fabric than the new wool that is already within their collection.
And then I just thought of something too, is people when they're hiking and stuff, they sweat between their toes. So then, are these moisture wicking?
Yes, they are. They are moisture wicking. It'll keep your feet nice and dry for as long as possible, rather than like the first hour in the hot sun. So I'm wearing the Ultra Run right now, and my feet are feeling great.
But it takes you a lot longer to get your socks on then.
Honestly, not really. I'm going to be honest, I thought that originally, but I put my socks on this morning. It took me the same amount of time to fit my sock to my foot, just like it would if I had on a regular compression sock where my toes don't have a singular pocket.
Okay. So these are toe socks.
Yes.